Plastic waste remains a significant environmental problem in the Philippines, with the country being one of the top contributors to marine plastic pollution. Single use plastic, poor waste management systems, and lack of recycling infrastructures exacerbate the issue, leading to clogged waterways, polluted coastlines, and threats on marine lives. While government initiatives like Extended Producer Responsibility or EPR Act and local plastic bans show promise, enforcement remains a challenge. Addressing this crisis requires stricter policies, corporate accountability, and stronger public participation in reducing, reusing, and recycling plastic waste.